Welcome to BioPlanet. The science of life is simplified. Today we are going to start IGCSE chapter 5. And in chapter 5 we will study enzymes. Let's discuss enzymes first. Enzymes are biological catalysts. Those speed up chemical reaction without being used up. So these are catalysts. A catalyst is a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without being used up. It means it converts a product. There is a product which will be converted into substances. There is a substance which will be converted into products, like one or two. This one big substance will be converted into 1, 2 or 3 products. Here there will be an enzyme. This enzyme will help this product, this substance, to be converted into product, but at the end it will remain unchanged. So these enzymes are actually the proteins. These enzymes are actually the proteins. Now let's discuss the functions. The one function of enzyme is to convert a substance into its product, and let's further discuss these proteins. These proteins are the substances and named as A's to the reaction or to the substance they are working on. For example, if a carbohydrate is converted into its products, so enzyme will become carbohydrates. It will become a carbohydrate. Now, if a protein is converted into its products, the amino acids, so the enzyme will be named as protease. What will be it? Protease. Now there will be a lipid. A lipid will be broken down into its substances, simpler substances, and the enzyme will be lipase. So Ase at the end is added to the enzyme that works on a substance. So these are the substances or the catalysts those speed up the chemical reaction, but it remained unchanged. Why it remained unchanged? Because it will be used again and again and again to complete the chemical reaction. As we know, in a human being or a living thing, there are chemical reaction, and these chemical reactions are named as metabolic reaction. What are they? Metabolic reactions. These metabolic reaction may not occur without the enzymes. They may be slow or they may not be completed. So these enzymes help the metabolic reactions to be completed. So these metabolic reactions can be what? Breakdown, catabolic. Breakdown of substances into simpler ones. These can be anabolic. Anabolic mean from simpler substances to complex substances. Catabolic, a starch molecule will be broken down with the help of an amylase. What is it? Specifically, we will talk about carbohydrates can specifically be amylases. Amylase will be acting on a carbohydrate to convert it to a simpler one, and that is called as catabolic, catabolism or catabolic reaction. And then if we say a glucose molecule is being converted into starch, glucose molecule will be used together. These are combined together, and starch molecule is made from simpler to complex, so it will become anabolic chemical reaction. So metabolic and anabolic chemical reactions are going on in a living thing. It can be a plant, it can be an element. In plants, if we say germinating seeds, so how the germinating seeds get their energy from the seed? Water will combine with the seed. Now with the help of the water, amylase enzyme will be activated, and this amylase enzyme, when it is activated, it will help the starch to be converted into glucose. Now this glucose will be, this will be converted later into amylase. So this amylase is given to the germinating seed, and this germinating seed will make up new substances or the starch to give rise to an embryo or a new plant. So these enzymes are essential for living things, not only for the plants but for the animals.